Welcome back to my cooking show. Garlic instead of powdered garlic for more flavor. Garlic paste, half garlic paste, half fresh garlic. Okay. Some fresh thyme. I am just going to be adding half tablespoon. After the thyme, you're going to add black pepper. You're going to want to go for 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20 clicks. Half a tablespoon. After parsley, you're going to add in a half tablespoon of adobo seasoning. For the tablespoon of creole seasoning, I'm just adding a pinch of each seasoning. So in creole seasoning, it's paprika, black powder, onion powder, garlic powder. And add a pinch of basil, a nice pinch because we got a lot of chicken here. It's about a pinch. Pinch of oregano. This is 1 pinch of oregano. I'm going to do 2 pinches. And I'm also going to be adding some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon. I will be using seasoned salt, a half a teaspoon. You can always go back and add more of the creole seasoning as you like, but it should be about a tablespoon, so a good pinch of each ingredient. You've washed your chicken with vinegar, salt, and lime juice. I want you to go and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Celsius. I'm going to be making a secret pear sauce ingredient. Pear on the flavor palette mixes really well with thyme. So I'm going to go make the secret pear mixture. Secret ingredient. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm going to add my fresh thyme now. I already added the garlic paste, so. No oil because the chicken skin has its own oil that it will release. While your chicken is in the oven for those 20 minutes, even the whole time, you're going to want to go and get your sides ready. All right, I will see you in 20 minutes. I have boiled potatoes here, scalloped potatoes. This is a main step in your recipe because that chicken juice has all the flavor and seasoning that you should need for your gravy. It is cooked. See the garlic. All right, I'm actually gonna add more water to this. Come back to you with the finished result.